Hello and welcome to MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. My name is David Hoffman. We're going to do a walkthrough video of our 2019 Sea Ray 190 SPX outboard. This boat is in the Sea Ray Blue Hulk side color and is powered with the 4-stroke Mercury 150. As we step aboard on the swim platform and the walkthrough area, has the brown sea deck on it. Great for traction and you don't slip. As we step aboard, this boat has phenomenal storage area. We lift this up. Great storage compartment for fenders, ropes, life jackets. This boat is equipped with the sports tower with the integrated blue top. As we move forward, we have two captain's chairs that complement each other. Great storage in the floor here as well. At the helm, we have a Simrad 5-inch screen, GPS, along with the analog gauges. We have a Fusion stereo. And as we move forward into the bow, we have storage underneath each side to store anything else, more life jackets, etc. This is our 2019 Sea Ray 190 SPX. If you'd like to see this one or any other, please give us a call here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Have a great day.